Hey gang, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for a brand new video. So today I'm actually moving home from uni for Christmas. Finally moving back. I haven't seen my mum in months and she's just on her way to come pick me up. And I tell you guys, I've literally moved out my whole freaking bedroom, like no joke. Whilst I've been at uni, my mum's actually been redecorating my room, so you guys are gonna get like a full new room tour. And then also I've got some really exciting parcels at home waiting for me that I got like shipped to there at the start of the week, so we can do a little parcel unboxing as well. Also, probably the most exciting thing is that my new camera is being delivered today, so no more vlogging on my phone. I haven't done a big vlog like this in a while, so I'm really excited. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to smash my button and of course subscribe down below. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is the current situation of stuff that I've got to take home. That's actually, do you know what, this isn't even everything. Not the Hoover, obviously. Like, I'm one of them people that always like doesn't take something and then instantly needs it. When I was packing up all my clothes, like items that I probably could leave, then having outfit visions in my head, so now I've bought it all. So I've literally bought my whole wardrobe. I've still got like a few last minute things to do. My sheets are currently in the washing machine. Kitchen's pretty clean, I think. I'm taking them sauces back with me. So quick outfit of the day. I've got this jumper on from Misguided, and then I've got the PLT like seamless set on underneath. Fingerless gloves are from Primark. Absolute best purchase I've ever made. And then I've got my little ultra mini Primark dupes that are literally £6. How cute are they? Finished up with the day. I actually chucked on this coat from Primark. I literally got it for £20. If you haven't watched my Primark come shop with me, then definitely go check that out. And then I've got this scarf on from ASOS last year. And yeah, this is the little fit vibes. I'm just currently waiting for my mum to come. Hey guys, I'm with mum, Reunited. Oh yeah, we'll just come to get a McDonald's. We have been driving now for just over an hour?
No, probably nearly
2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours. Look at the back. We've had to, I can't even see. We've fully had to play a game of Jenga in the back. Mum, yes. It's very stressful experience.
Very stressed, yeah.
We did have to leave some things behind, but it's fine. The car is full. So yeah, we've just come to get a McDonald's and nearly home. It's nearly like, what's time? 4:10. Hey guys, so am I in the same outfit of yesterday? Yes. I've just come back from staying at Cal's. It's literally like 9:30 in the morning. He's got work today. Basically had some like family news yesterday, so I didn't really feel like vlogging. It's gonna be alright. I think it's gonna be fine. But I just didn't really feel like vlogging yesterday, so I'm gonna continue the vlog today. My room, by the way, looks absolutely incredible. I feel like yesterday was filled with highs and lows. The camera's here just to let you guys know my room is an absolute state. You guys saw the amount I had to take back with me, and I've genuinely just chucked it in there. But I'm going to show you guys my room. However, my room's not finished, so I'm going to show you guys it now, and then when it's finally done, I'm going to do like a full-on room tour. I've got some bits to film this morning. Oh my god, my capital extra Jingle Bell box was incredible. I feel like if you follow me on my other social platforms, you might have seen it. By the way, excuse the state of me, like I genuinely have rolled out of bed and got my clothes on. I'm gonna go in, have a shower, get myself sorted, and then I'm gonna show you guys my room. Also getting one of my moles removed today as well. It's on my back. I'm getting it lasered off, which I'm absolutely terrified for. I used to have one like here on my front, which I got taken off when I was back in school. So I'm about to get the one on my back taken off. That's at 3 o'clock, so I don't actually have that long with the amount I've got to do. Have I changed my outfit yet? No, but am I filming on my new camera? Yes! I don't even know if any of you understand my excitement right now. It has been months since I've had like a fully working camera. So fully embracing the egg vibes. I'm getting my hair done on Monday, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna embrace it for the next few days. Really do want to show you guys my room, but when I tell you, it is so messy. I don't even know if any of you guys would have seen it before. I know my mum said that she's got some footage for me, but I'm gonna do that in my whole room tour. But I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Wait, these are all my old jackets that I need to put up for sale. Please excuse the mess. So I've ordered some prints from Decino, which are going on the wall. I've also got a neon sign with my name on. My aunties and uncles have like got it for my birthday, and that's gonna go in the center with like all the Decino prints around it. I literally cannot wait for that. I've got some new blinds. I literally had full-on curtains before. And then the wall colour, my mum actually mixed 2 paints together. Like I said, I'm going to go into detail about everything in the room tour. And then, wait, oh my god, I haven't turned the lights on. This is my whole wardrobe area. It's from IKEA, guys. It's the IKEA packs. Mum's literally been staying up until like 2 AM to try and finish this. My family have also come and helped to do this. So there is like some few things that need like finishing and stuff. So hopefully that won't be too long, but obviously I've just moved back from uni and like this is the current floor situation, and I'm just not mentally prepared to sit and put all the clothes away. Hence why I'm still in the same outfit, because I'm like, what the frick do I wear? Some Boohoo deliveries sent to me for when I came home, of course, from my faves. So thanks to the gals at Boohoo that sent that out. I'm gonna quickly sort myself out. I have got to film this ad really quickly, so I hope that the footage turns out alright for it, because it's my second, my second amendments. Is that what I want to say? Yeah, my second amendments for this ad, so I've got to get this done before I get my mole removed at 3 o'clock. Also, we could open up my calendar quick. Should we open up my calendar? I usually do this on my stories, so you guys are getting treated. So this is actually the Boohoo calendar. They very kindly sent this out to me. Here's me trying to find, oh my god, my finger was literally on it. I don't know what this stain is. I think I might have spilled something on it. Sorry to all my Insta fans. Oh, we've got a spray. Oh my god, guys, this calendar's actually been so enjoyable to open. I've had so many good things in here. But today we've got this spray. Let's smell it. Sorry. Is this so? Is this freaking so? I'm just like, that is really freaking good. I've just like opened up my Boohoo parcel and just filmed like a little TikTok, and like the background for one is absolutely adorable. I feel like it looks so stupid because I've got nothing in my wardrobe. Haul is that incredible that I'm gonna have to quickly film a Boohoo haul. Like, literally do not really have time to do it, but I just like, I'm so excited for everything. I don't know what way around I'm gonna upload all my content, so if the Boohoo haul is not up, then it's coming, or it might already be up on my channel. If it is, I'll like link it up here. Guys, I've got this full on like feathery suit. It's kind of a problem that I don't have a full length mirror in here right now. I think it's in my mum's room. It's like got feather cuffs and then the feather like hems of the trousers. It looks so sick. I'll put like a full length video on the screen so you guys can see. I'm vibing so much right now. I feel like this could be one of my like outfits for like my birthday week. Only slight problem is the whole floor is literally covered in feathers. So I've just got back from spending the like afternoon evening at my nan's. I had my mole removed earlier. I basically had it lasered off. I didn't even know this was a kind of treatment that you could have. I had like quite a big mole on my back, and I've kind of always been self-conscious about it. I used to have one on my front like here, and I got this one back removed like when I was in school, maybe like 5-6 years ago, and I've always been quite conscious about the one on my back, but because I don't see it all the time, like I don't really notice it. It's always been something that I wanted to get removed, and when looking into mole removal, like it's quite expensive when you first look at it, but I had it lasered off. It cost £80, which I'm very kindly paid for. I don't know if I'm gonna put images up on the screen. It's still something that I'm quite like, not self-conscious about, but like, so I don't really care, but at the same time I do care, do you know what I mean? I put numbing cream on it, but because it was quite deep, the numbing cream like didn't get all the way through. So when I got to the end, I'm not gonna lie, very freaking painful. There was some points where I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to carry on. However, that's because my mole was obviously quite big and quite deep. Only like the last, you know, like the last few bits, but the main bit of it, like it wasn't even painful in the slightest. I didn't realise how easy the process was of getting it lasered off. Get mine checked and the doctor said it was fine. That the healing process should be a few weeks. That's my little update for you guys. I had a Chinese around my nan's. It was beautiful. I am staying at Cal's tonight because I've got work tomorrow. My first shift back. I'm not ready. I work in like hospitality industry, guys. Christmas, I'm just not ready for the Christmas tables. I wanted to come back here because I've been banging on about this Jingle Bell box. I don't even know if I've cut out some of the clips of me saying about it, because I feel like if I was watching me right now, I'd be really frustrated. Everyone's here to help me lift it when I tell you it's so... Here is the box. It is absolutely massive. So heavy, as you've just seen. Basically, Capital were live streaming the Jingle Bell Ball this weekend. Unfortunately, I'm uploading this like when it's happened, but they basically done a live stream. They wanted to send me out like a little bag of goodies to enjoy the live stream kind of vibe. I saw my TikTok on this and you literally would have seen me, but I literally... Santa's come to town, bitches. Basically got like a bunch of snacks, like popcorn, crisps. These ones are gluten-free, cows. This is gonna absolutely love these. These, which are posh hot chocolate pearls. How incredible. I feel a baking video coming on with this. It is from the Baking Co. It's Santa's Winter Wonder Cakes. Also got a signed ball. We got some like paper Santa straws. Also got a bottle of, wait, where is it? A bottle of Moet champagne. Oh my god, I haven't even shown you guys the main event. The main freaking event. There's two main events, but for me, this is the main event over the other main event, which some of you might be shocked at. This was fully a jaw-dropping moment for me. The Hotel Chocolat dipping set. How insane does that look? Now for the second main event, gifted me a Sonos speaker. Genuinely, sometimes doing what I do genuinely just makes me feel the most grateful person on earth. I wouldn't be able to like receive any of this or do any of this. I feel like I say this quite a lot, but like without any of you guys. So I genuinely want to thank you all so much, because without yous, I wouldn't be able to do this, which is crazy. More LED kind of lights. And then, you know, we just got some like random bits. I've got some like Cokes and lemonades. These are actually like organic Cokes. So thank you so much to Barclaycard and Capital for sending them out to me. I really, really appreciate it. Santa certainly has come to town with all of them black sacks. So I don't know if I've said this on my YouTube, but I do have a Depop. I will link it down below. Basically looking for some of my work trousers, and I just started like hanging some bits up as I kind of took it out of the bag. However, this isn't how I'm gonna have it. I've made a slight start. I've still got loads more to do. However, I have like cleared some of it away. Like I've definitely got some more floor space. I'm gonna go around at Cal's now. Like I say, I'm not gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I see fit. I feel like I'm gonna kind of sit back and edit this and kind of see if I need any more footage. I just have no clue what I've actually filmed and what I've not filmed at this point. Hey fam, I feel like it's been a long minute since I picked up the camera, even though it's literally been a day. Had my first shift back at work yesterday. It was fantastic. We had like a big family dinner around Cal's, played cards. Obviously I won because I'm the reigning champion twice now. But I went to vlog and drive. I can't find the little bit on my tripod that basically keeps my camera secure, which is fantastic. Today is new hair day. Just basically getting it lightened. Like, look at these roots, guys. They need to be sorted out. I don't get a full head of highlights now just because I don't like the growth. So I still kind of get like a little bit of a root blend, but like not this much. And also my underneath bits haven't been touched a hot minute, so they're basically brown now, the whole length of my hair. So it's been a minute since I've actually picked up the camera, as you guys can tell. I've had my hair done, I'm absolutely in love with it. I have got to speak a bit quietly because it's a bit late. My mum is currently in bed. It's that late that it's technically my birthday. But I just quickly wanted to jump on here and say goodnight, and I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Now, the reason why it's so late is because I've actually been trying to get my life together and like sort out this room, and now I need to sit and edit this video for tomorrow. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Make sure to stay tuned for all the birthday content coming. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, then please make sure to smash the like button and of course subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.